Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 24, subject of communication research. We will present our research proposal about our title, which is the Instagram as a tool for sharing and important news among final year student of Faculty of Major Language Study at Islamic Science University in Malaysia. Alright, next we move to the background of the problem. In the social media platform, the potential users of social media is good for getting the news fastest and sharing an important news to the community. Social networking is a community of internet-based applications that build on the ideological and technical foundations of Web 2.0 and allow user-generated content to produce and share. There are one aspect of Web 2.0 technology is Instagram. The way people access, handle, and sharing information, as well as the way they communicate and interact, has changed with Web 2.0 or social networking tools. This shift has resulted in the emergence of various styles of learning, especially among young people. Teachers, on the other hand, agree that social networking platforms provide versatile and dynamic learning experiences that are also more enticing and engaging than conventional learning structure. News sharing is defined as the contribution and dissemination by individuals of news stories on different social media platforms. Alright, we move to the problem statement. Number 1, a successful technology transfer will eventually lead to a deeper and wider accumulation of knowledge. Second, there are many companies grab that opportunity to publish new device or product in every year. Third, by increasing the number of application social media by users will make fake news spreading more easily. So this research must be done to identify the usage of Instagram as a tool in sharing important news and also to identify the cause of fake news and the best solution to solve it.
Alright, the objectives of the study. Firstly, facilitate the delivery of information to the community. Second, help the community to be more open. Third, increase public awareness of emerging issues. Next, the research methodology. The quantitative method was employed for both data collection and data analysis process of this study. The questionnaire was used as a data collection instrument to collect data from the respondent. The questionnaire was conducted to identify the usage of Instagram as a tool in sharing important news, to identify the causes of fake news, and to find the best solution to this issue. 14 fourth years of Faculty of Major Language Studies FPBU students in Islamic Science University of Malaysia were the respondents of this study. The usage of Instagram as a tool in sharing important news was analyzed through a descriptive analysis process by finding the mean and standard deviation for every construct. The survey consisted of 8 multiple choice questions and 7 questions that were measured on a 5-point Likert scale. Next, participants were given 13 minutes to fill in the survey anonymously, and 14 students responded. For this, the outlier labeling rule was used. All values outside the calculated range were considered outliers. And last, the data was then analyzed using statistical software SPSS version 20.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. Next, we go to sampling procedure and data analysis step. Sampling procedure. Number 1. The population is known as a set of characteristics that have an observation of rejection of a group of individuals. Next. The study uses a sampling method that aims to obtain information or data related to it. Next. The researcher used the entire targeted population as the study of the study before using several sampling. Next, the main respondent of the study are student year 4 of the Faculty of Major Language Studies at Islamic Science University of Malaysia. Next, we go to data analysis step. The data analysis was done using statistical package for the social science, i.e. SPSS version 20. Usage of Instagram as a tool in sharing important news were analyzed through a descriptive analysis. A survey instrument was developed to understand people's perception of their position within the online community. The survey was administered to undergraduate and graduate students at a major local university. Next. The survey consisted of 9 multiple choice questions and 7 questions that were measured on a 5-point Likert scale. The aim was to conduct the survey to identify the usage of Facebook as a tool in sharing news. Next, participants were given 30 minutes to fill in the survey anonymously and 40 students responded. Next, before analysis, the gathered data was prepared. The dataset was checked for missing data and outliers. The data was then analyzed using statistical software SPSS version 20. That's all from me. Thank you.
In conclusion, the aim of this study was to explore the phenomenon of Instagram addiction and identify factors for excessive Instagram usage. Second, we were able to confirm the assumption that further aspects are related to Instagram addiction and should be integrated into addiction skills. And we also demonstrated some participants are in danger of becoming addicted to Instagram. Third, due to only a few participants received exceptionally high scores on our Instagram addiction scale, and indicated some notable abnormalities concerning Instagram addiction. We refuse to classifying them as addicted to Instagram just because they have slightly higher score, since further testing and observation is needed to confirm this classification. That's the end of our presentation. Thank you for watching.